Unlock global sales and seamless payments by adding Wise to your Shopify store today. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu, and from there, click on Shopify App Store now, search for Wise or TransferWise in the search bar and select the official Wise app from the results. On the Wise app page, you'll see an Add App button. Click this to begin the integration process. Shopify will then prompt you to review the permissions the Wise app requires. Carefully read through these and click Install App to continue. Next, you'll be directed to log in with your existing Wise account. If you don't have one, you'll have the option to create a new account. Ensure you're logging into the correct Wise business account. Once your Wise account is authorized, you'll be returned to your Shopify admin. Navigate to Settings, then Payments. You should now see Wise listed as a newly activated payment provider alongside your other options. To ensure everything is set up correctly, click on Wise in the payment settings. Here you can confirm that the integration is active and ready to accept payments. Now, your customers can select Wise at checkout, offering them a convenient way to pay, especially for international transactions and potentially at better exchange rates. This seamless integration allows you to broaden your customer base, reduce currency conversion costs, and streamline your international sales operations. Start accepting payments with Wise today and watch your global reach expand.